Napagod ako, and by 2022, I've came to this reflection ba because we went to a beach back then, and then I sat myself down and asked myself na, yo, is this the only thing that I was gonna do? Was I only going to be video editing all the time for clients, looking for more clients, doing stock, crypto, waiting for the market to open, close, buy, sell assets? And then, am I always going to be on dating apps all the time, looking for that one, whatever? Yun lang ba? Yun lang ba yung gagawin ko? So, hindi ako fulfilled at that time. By December of 2022, I made an action. Sabi ko sa sarili ko na, why should I wait for 2023 January to come to make a change? So, naging clear ako doon na I will start to change something, especially on my health. I think first time ko na feel ulit yung real focus and clarity on something that I wanted to achieve ba. Ito yung na-realize ko, was that once you start to get clear on one thing, yung other parts ng life mo na feel mo stuck ka or walang nangyayari will also get clearer and clearer.